Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to install WordPress in your GoDaddy account. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your GoDaddy account. Okay, if you already purchased a plan, you simply need to go ahead and click on what your plan hosting. So that is, you click on manage, after which is going to take us to another interface. So once you get here, that is at the top right hand side, you are going to say login admin, that is your cPanel. Click on it. Okay, once you're here, you simply scroll down. This WordPress bed, you can see find it down here. So you simply need to click on what? WordPress. Okay guys, after that, that is the installation process. So let's scroll down and see. So we're simply going to click on what? Install application. Okay, after that, for your domain, this is the default domain, so we are going to choose your domain name, the one you purchase. So you are going to find it somewhere here. Okay, let's say secured. Okay, that one. For the directory file, we are going to leave it like that. We'll not add anything there. That is the WordPress version, so recommended. That's the latest version. Okay, your language, those are the various language, so we are going to leave it in English. So this one, we'll leave it in the default manner. That's the certificate, so we'll leave it in default manner. Yeah, automatic, yes. So plugins update, yeah, we'll leave it like that. Okay, once you get here, the setting, that is a administrator admin. Here now you simply need to what? To create your username. But before doing this, we are going to create a what? A notepad. So for us to save our logins. Okay, we are going to say user name. Okay, let's say Vianney. Okay, your password. So you copy this, place it here. Okay, for your password now, you can simply generate your password. So you generate it. So click on generate. After that, you copy it. Okay, after that, come and paste your password so that you don't forget it. So come back here. So after that, that is your administration email address. So let's say we are going to insert our administration email address, that is the website email address. Depending on what you want it should be. So the website title will leave all of this in the default manner. After that, we are going to click on what? Install. So this might take a while, so you simply need to wait. Okay, once installation is complete, that is it here. So we are going to click here. It's going to take us to our WordPress dashboard. That's it. Yep, good to go. We just successfully installed the WordPress on our domain name. As you can see here, now you can start installing your plugins and start building your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Yeah, peace out.